السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائنا الطلبة، راح نكمل محاضرتنا في مادة اللغة الإنجليزية بالاعتماد على الكتاب New Headway Plus Upper Intermediate. We will start Unit 1, No Place Like Home, page 6, depending on our last lecture regarding verb tenses. Today we will try to test our skill in grammar. Question 1. Which time expressions for the books can be used with the sentence below? The first thing that I should know it is the tense of the sentence and then choose the suitable time expression. Number 1. My parents met in Paris. The tense is past simple. And the answer will be my parents met in Paris in the 1970 or ages ago or during a snowstorm. We can choose one of these expressions. Number 2. They travel abroad. The tense is present simple and the answer will be one of these expressions, never, frequently, or sometimes. Number 3. They were working in Canada and the tense is past continuous and the answer we can choose one of the expression when I was born or in the 1970 or for age or recently, and finally we can use for a year. Number 4. I was born in Montreal. The tense is past simple and the answer will be I was born in Montreal in the 1970 or ages ago or during a snowstorm. What about number 5? The tense is present perfect. And the answer will be in two structures. And we can choose one of them. For the first one, my grandparents have never or recently lived in Ireland. Or we can use this answer, my grandparents have lived in Ireland for ages or recently or for a year or since I was a child. Both of these answers are true. Number 6. I wrote to my grandmother. The tense is past simple. And just I want to mention something about the type of the verb in this sentence. The type of the verb is a regular verb because wrote is the past of infinitive verb write and the past participle will be written. So the verb write doesn't follow a specific rule to change from infinitive to past form to past participle form. For this reason called a regular verb. The answer of number 6, I never or frequently or recently or later or sometimes wrote to my grandmother. We can choose one of these words. And I can write my answer in different structure to be I wrote to my grandmother in the 1970 or frequently or for ages ago or the other day or recently or during a snowstorm, or later. You can choose one of these answers. Number 7. I am going to work in the US. The tense is a present continuous, and the answer, we can choose one of the expressions: in a fortnight's time, or for a year, or never, or later. Just I want to mention something regarding in a fortnight's time. This expression is not common for some people, and just I want to give the meaning of this expression, which is every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. Number 8. My brother's flying to Argentina on business. Also here the tense is present continuous, and the answer, actually we have 2 answers and we can choose one of them. My brothers frequently flying to Argentina on business, or we can write the answer: my brothers flying to Argentina on business tonight, or in a fortnight's time, or later. Number 9. He's been learning Spanish. The tense of this sentence is a present perfect, and the answer, he's recently been learning Spanish, or we can write the answer: he's been learning Spanish for age, or recently, or for a year, or since I was a child. What about number 10? I will see you. The tense is future, and the answer, I will see you tonight, or in a fortnight's time, or later, or frequently, or sometimes, or never. We can choose one of these expressions to be suitable for number 10.